Ready to give your space a makeover that'll stop the scroll? These viral TikTok home design gadgets are transforming ordinary rooms into jaw-dropping spaces in seconds. From smart storage to eye-catching decor upgrades, they're the little details that make a big impact. All the links you need are waiting in the description below. Cooking just got a whole lot smoother. This rolling kitchen island gives you instant counter space right where you need it. Pop up the drop leaf for extra prep room, then fold it down to save space. A built-in power outlet means you can plug in blenders, mixers, or even charge your phone while you cook. With adjustable shelves, a wine rack, and lockable wheels, it's your portable kitchen command center. When space is tight, this clever bed works double duty. By day, it folds into a sleek cabinet, freeing up the room for work, workouts, or guests. At night, it pulls down smoothly thanks to its pulley system, revealing a comfortable queen-sized bed. Built-in sockets and USB ports keep your devices charged right at your side. With 2 roomy drawers underneath, it's storage and sleeping space all in one. Your night routine just got smarter. This nightstand keeps everything within reach. Lamp, phone, book, even your midnight snack. Built-in USB ports and outlets mean you can charge devices without crawling under the bed for a cord. Soft fabric drawers give you plenty of storage, while the LED light adds a cozy glow. It's the perfect mix of function and style right next to your bed. Comfort meets style in the most inviting way. This plush velvet chair wraps you in soft, cushioned support while adding a modern touch to your space. Its 360-degree swivel lets you turn easily without moving the base, perfect for chatting, reading, or just enjoying the view. The barrel design gives it a cozy, enclosed feel. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or office, it's a seat you won't want to leave. Your shoes deserve the spotlight. This 7-tier rotating rack spins a full 360 degrees, so you can grab any pair without digging through a pile. It holds loads of shoes while taking up minimal floor space, making it perfect for small entryways or closets. The tall, tower-style design keeps everything neat and easy to see. It's storage that's as fun to use as it is practical. Give your books a home that stands out. This tree-shaped bookshelf turns storage into a statement piece, with 6 shelves branching out to hold books, movies, or decor. A built-in drawer at the bottom keeps smaller items tucked away. Its sturdy design stays stable even when fully loaded. Perfect for adding both function and rustic charm to your living room or bedroom. Small space, big comfort. This velvet Loveseat transforms from cozy seating to a pull-out bed in seconds. No tools, cords, or fuss. The adjustable backrest lets you lounge, sit upright, or fully recline. Side pockets keep remotes, books, or snacks within reach. With its soft pillows and plush feel, it's the ultimate blend of style, comfort, and practicality for 2. Your kitchen just found its new organizer. This freestanding pantry cabinet gives you tall, spacious storage without taking up too much floor space. Adjustable shelves let you fit everything from cereal boxes to serving trays with ease. The sleek doors keep clutter out of sight, while the sturdy build works just as well in the dining room or living room. It's a storage upgrade you'll use every day. No more crawling behind furniture just to plug something in. This outlet extender slides out from the wall, stretching from 22 to 34 inches, so power is always within reach. It rotates 180 degrees, letting you position it exactly where you need it. With USB-A, USB-C, and 2 AC outlets, you can charge everything in one spot. Even better, it has a built-in phone ledge and attaches to the wall with no tools. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars. I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Taking care of plants just got a futuristic twist. This smart flower pot uses AI and 7 sensors to monitor water, light, and temperature, so your plants get exactly what they need. It even shows expressions to tell you how your plant is feeling, making care fun and easy. A built-in water tank keeps the soil perfectly moist without daily watering. You can even customize its screen with photos, videos, or GIFs for a personal touch. No more chasing doors every time the wind blows. This heavy-duty stopper keeps your door exactly where you want it, open and steady. You can install it without drilling using strong adhesive, or go for screw mounting for maximum hold. The height adjusts to fit different gaps, making it versatile for any room. Sleek and sturdy, it's the little helper your door has been waiting for. Timekeeping can be art, and this retro flip clock proves it. Instead of ticking hands, its numbered cards flip over with every passing minute. The bold display is easy to read, with AM/PM clearly marked, so you'll never mix up morning and night. Battery-powered and cordless, it works anywhere, from your desk to your kitchen counter. It's functional, timeless, and just a little bit mesmerizing to watch. Dinner for 6 or a desk for 1, this folding table does it all. Both sides open up for full dining space, or you can drop one leaf for smaller gatherings. Fold it completely, and it tucks neatly against the wall like a console. 6 wheels make moving it effortless, and built-in shelves store kitchen or office essentials. It's space-saving furniture that works as hard as you do. It's a plant, it's a table, it's your new favorite party trick. This clever set hides magnetic Monstera leaf coasters that snap apart for your drinks, then reassemble into a leafy mini end table. Use it by the sofa, on the balcony, or as a tropical touch in your office. Space-saving, fun, and functional, it's decor that actually earns its place. Looks like a sleek floating shelf, but it's hiding a secret. Lift the panel and you'll find a concealed compartment for jewelry, documents, or other valuables you'd rather keep out of sight. Strong enough to hold up to 50 pounds, it still works perfectly for books, plants, or decor. Easy to mount and stylish in any room, it's the ultimate blend of form and function. Tired of messy drawers? This honeycomb organizer keeps everything in its place. Just snap the pieces together, drop it in your drawer, and suddenly socks, ties, or office supplies each have their own little spot. The design expands to fit different drawer sizes, so it works anywhere, from your dresser to your desk. Durable, lightweight, and easy to rearrange, it makes staying organized almost effortless. Ironing doesn't have to take over your space. This in-wall ironing board hides neatly inside a slim cabinet until you need it. Swing it out, rotate it a full 180 degrees, and adjust the height for comfort. 2 built-in shelves hold sprays, starch, or folded laundry. Stain-resistant padding keeps clothes safe, and when you're done, it tucks away, leaving your room looking neat and clutter-free. No more wrestling with messy lids. This smart wastebasket opens with just a wave. The motion sensor detects your hand and lifts the lid instantly, then closes quietly a few seconds later. It's perfect for kitchen chaos, bathroom convenience, or keeping a home office tidy. Waterproof and easy to clean, it blends sleek design with hands-free hygiene. Once you try it, you'll never go back to a regular bin. Sleep meets style in the most unexpected way. This concept bed frame is designed to look like a giant iPhone folded in half, standing upright to cradle your mattress. With its sleek, tech-inspired lines, it transforms the bedroom into a futuristic statement space. Just a concept for now, but it's the kind of design that makes you wish it existed. Your lipsticks deserve more than a cluttered drawer. This press-to-open holder lifts them up automatically, so you can pick your shade in seconds. The clear dust cover keeps everything clean while letting you see every color at a glance. With 12 snug compartments and a non-slip base, it's as practical as it is pretty. A tidy, elegant upgrade for any vanity or dresser. Movie night just got an upgrade. This removable sofa armrest slips neatly between cushions, giving you a cup holder, phone slot, and extra storage for remotes all in one spot. The built-in wireless charger keeps your device powered, while the adjustable LED light is perfect for late-night reading. Durable fabric resists wear and stains, so it stays looking fresh. Comfort, convenience, and a little tech right at your fingertips. This concept pet bed takes comfort and organization to a new level. Built into its frame are 2 enclosed pet pods designed to give your furry friends their own private hideaways. No more tripping over beds scattered across the floor. Everything is neatly contained in one stylish piece. The pods keep pets snug, secure, and close to you at night, blending coziness with a clutter-free home. Say goodbye to the dustpan shuffle. This touchless vacuum activates the moment you sweep dirt toward it, sucking up every speck instantly. Its powerful motor handles hair, crumbs, and debris with salon-level power, while dual filters return clean air to your space. No bending, no hassle, just sweep and watch it disappear. Perfect for busy homes, pet owners, or anywhere floors need constant care. Long hours at your desk don't have to mean an aching back. This ergonomic office chair is loaded with 16 adjustable points, so you can dial in the perfect fit for your body. The split-back design with 3D lumbar support keeps your posture in check, while flip-up arms and a dual-purpose headrest adapt to your workflow. And when space is tight, the foldable frame tucks neatly away,